Have you ever felt like your savings account just isn't working hard enough for you? That's where a money market account, or MMA, comes in. But with any financial product, especially at a traditional institution like Patriot Bank, you have to weigh the costs against the benefits. Today, we're diving into the pros and cons of the Patriot Bank money market account, specifically how those potential monthly fees stack up against the perks you get. First, let's look at the pros. What makes the Patriot Bank MMA a good option for your money? The biggest draw is usually the interest rate. Money market accounts typically offer a higher, tiered interest rate than a standard savings account. This means the more you save, the more you earn. For someone with a significant chunk of change they want to keep liquid but still grow, that tiered rate structure is a major benefit. Secondly, you get excellent access to your funds. Unlike a CD, your money isn't locked up. Patriot Bank's MMA generally offers check writing privileges and easy access through branches, ATMs, and online banking. It's the sweet spot between a checking account's liquidity and a savings account's earning potential. Now, let's talk about the cons, which usually revolve around the monthly service fee. If you're opening an MMA directly with Patriot Bank, you're often subject to a monthly service fee. Around $12 is common. This is the biggest hurdle. That fee can easily eat into your interest earnings if you don't keep a high enough balance. And that brings us to the second major con, the minimum balance requirement to waive the fee. To avoid that monthly charge, you typically need to maintain a substantial minimum daily or average daily balance, often around $2,000. For many savers, especially those just starting out, keeping that much money in one account can be a stretch. If your balance dips, that monthly fee kicks in, effectively costing you money instead of earning it. So, here's the bottom line. The Patriot Bank MMA can be a great savings vehicle if you can consistently meet the high minimum balance. If you can, you unlock the higher tiered interest rates and full liquidity, and you dodge the monthly fee. However, if maintaining a $2,000 balance is difficult for you, that monthly fee becomes a serious drawback. In that case, you might be better off looking at a high-yield savings account from an online-only bank, which often have higher rates and no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements at all. It all comes down to your deposit size and your comfort level with that minimum balance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.